Okay guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Japan, sa Falcon Factory na imbitahan kami ni Tonton para pag-usapan about DOT. Dapat mo nga bang bilhin ang goma pag lumagpas na ng 5 years ang date of production? So ito, pag-uusapan natin ng technical head ng Falcon Tires. Kaso, bawal nga lang kumuha ng video at pakinggan natin ang sasabihin niya.
We also have concerns that many people have actually the misunderstanding of this issue. The tire ages. So the properly stored unused tire, new tire, up to 5 years old, can be sold as a new tire. You can sell as a new tire.
Sir, last question. Because in our country, there's a lot of genius people. They always say, they always look at the production date.
Yes.
If the production date is 2022, they don't like to buy anymore. They want is 24. We want to give them knowledge about the 5-year tires, about what you're saying a while ago, to have a good storage. Even though the DOT is 5 years, you can still sell it as a brand new with the same warranty.
Yes.
Okay.
The performance, of course, some of tire the component is of course the age, little by little, but the change is very small.
Okay.
So up to 5 years old, the new tire, the properly stored tire, the performance is almost same as a new tire.
Okay.
The 2022 and 2024, the performance is almost same.
Okay. If the DOT is 10 years, whatever car you have, you need to change a tire already.
Yes, the recommend.
Okay. Guys, iisa talaga ang sinasabi ng mga premium brands tulad ng Continental, Falcon, at iba pang premium brands. It's not about when it's produced. It's about when it's used. Aging process of tires starts when they hit the road, not from the manufacturing date. Siguradong magaganda din ang warehouse ng mga premium brand dahil ang investment nila ay ilang daang milyon. At ako mismo, nakita ko ang warehouse ng Falcon, Continental at Hankook Tires. Sigurado ko rin ang ibang premium brands ay pinangalagaan rin nila ang kanilang warehouse. Huwag din kayo mag-alala sa mga premium brands. Sila mismo, hindi rin sila papayag na ipadala ang modelong goma na hindi ayon sa ating klima. So guys, sana may natutunan kayo sa napanood nyo at huwag kayo maniniwala sa mga sabi-sabi na mga taong hindi rin nila alam ang sinasabi nila. So guys, thank you for watching and always remember, Jesus loves you and God bless.